So I've been out here messing around with this tool shed for a couple weeks, and they built a platform for it. I have a video on that, and I'm down to putting these ramps together. So I'm going to show you how I built the ramps for my tool shed, in case you're wondering how to do it and an easy way out of it. So we have one more that I'm building over here, and this is how I started the other side. I got some 2x6s, and I built a header panel on the front and on the other side with the other doors of my tool shed, and I dropped it down 2 inches to clear the door, so you can see my ramps right there. This is all pressure treated, so it's below the door line, so that the door will shut, you know, nice and even and stuff like that. I won't get hung up on the ramp coming in. So as you can probably see on the other side, I made a support under the ramp in the middle. These are 4 feet, so I put it at 2 feet to help support the weight of the lawnmowers and snowblowers and stuff like that. It made for a really nice sturdy ramp. So what I've been doing is I've been taking some exterior screws, some deck screws. I've been zipping in the top to the header panel that I built, and right down the middle along the beam that I've put in. And it's pretty quick doing it this way. My shed isn't crazy high off the ground. It's only a few inches off the ground, so this is making for a nice strong ramp. So you can see on this one where I have, stupid door, where I have all the deck screws at the top to tie it in to that support header panel, and all down the middle right here to tie it into the beam. And that way there, it's nice and strong. I can go up and down with the lawnmower. It doesn't give it all. It's actually a nice strong ramp, and it's pressure treated, so it'll last a long time. So just wanted to show you a quick video on this to show you what I was up to in case you were trying to build the ramp for your shed. You know, you don't need to see me screwing these things. I'm sure you know how to use a screw gun at this point and stuff. And if you don't, you might want to have somebody do it for you. But this is what I did, and worked out pretty well. It's pretty quick doing it this way too. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have a question, leave a comment. I will reply back to you. Thanks for watching.